SOS Only on T-Mobile means your device can only make emergency calls due to a lost cellular connection. This typically stems from network issues, SIM card problems, or incorrect device settings. Common causes include network connectivity problems, especially in areas with weak signal, SIM card issues for physical cards or eSIM provisioning errors, and incorrect device settings. First, try these quick fixes to refresh your device's connection to the T-Mobile network. Step 1. Restart your phone completely to clear temporary glitches and reconnect to the network. Step 2. Turn airplane mode on for 10 seconds, then off. This resets all wireless connections and often fixes the issue. Also, ensure you're in an area with T-Mobile coverage. Check their coverage map using the T-Mobile app or website to confirm signal availability in your location. According to recent data, a significant percentage of SOS-only issues are resolved with these initial steps. If the problem persists, move on to more in-depth solutions. If basic steps don't work, perform a network reset. On iOS, go to Settings, General, Transfer, or Reset iPhone. Reset, then Reset Network Settings. This clears saved Wi-Fi passwords and cellular settings, forcing a fresh connection. On Android, look for Reset Network Settings in the Settings menu. The exact path may vary by device, but this option clears saved networks and forces a fresh cellular connection. Next, check for a carrier settings update. On iOS, go to Settings, General, About. If an update is available, you'll see a prompt. For Android, these usually install automatically, but check with T-Mobile support for manual installation. Finally, check your SIM. If using a physical SIM, ensure it's properly inserted. If using an eSIM, contact T-Mobile to rescan or reprovision it, as eSIM issues are increasingly common. As of 2025, T-Mobile reports that a large percentage of SOS-only issues are SIM-related. If none of these steps work, it may indicate a hardware issue or a wider T-Mobile network outage in your area. Contact T-Mobile support for further assistance.